Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Garmin Connect application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. And to do it, simply find the icon and tap on it. In the application you should see the home page. Now tap on More to open the menu, scroll down and tap on Garmin devices. Right here you should see the list of devices connected to your account, and on it there should be Forerunner 965. Tap on it to select it. Once the settings page appears, tap on the More Options icon to open the menu. Come on, it's a bit wonky, doesn't want to sometimes register the tap, but here we have it. Once this option appears, tap on Remove Device, tap on Remove, and the watch will be removed from the list of devices. Now we can tap on Settings. It will redirect us to the Settings app, and here what we need to do is to go back by tapping on the back button right here in the top left corner. And once you're on the main page of Settings, tap on Bluetooth, and here you will see the Forerunner 965 on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on Forget this device, and tap on Forget device. And then we can close the settings and the app, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.